Jiffy Pop Popcorn has its own popping pan and offers a fresh buttery flavor with a homemade taste that no microwave popcorn can match. Jiffy Pop Popcorn has been perfecting its recipe since 1959, using the finest kernels of corn to create the ultimate popping experience. It's as much fun to eat as it is to make. Jiffy Pop Popcorn is delicious, crispy, and crunchy. Prepare over a stove or on a campfire.
Oh.
Don't touch it.
Yeah.
Don't touch it. Crap.
Okay, where's the tongs, honey? Help him with the tongs. Oh, he got it. Oh, there it goes. You saved it, Adrian. You saved it.
Put it back in there. Now take it out. I think you're done. I think you're done.
Penny, go help him.
Done. I think it's fine.
Go get the pan.
Don't even worry about it. No, don't.
Oh no!
Adrian,
Oh no! Put it on the ground. Stop, drop, and roll.